Enjoy. Let's go to it. That side, let's say.
They only doing this side. Can't go on that side.
Oh, really?
You can feel it's starting to come out.
Oh, the egg's starting to come out.
You can't go on this side. Next trip.
Oh. Just go stand in front of that. So sick. Almost there, Sue, almost. You love it, Sissy? It's stunning. Yeah, Baba. Oh, wait there, Mimi. Fuck again. Woo! Bro, that's nice. Sick. Fully sick, mate. Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Dai mi lo na me ai aku tamari kina ko yang.
What is that?
GTs, Giant Valley.
It's a giant trevally.
Yeah. Yeah. Oops.
Oh my. I didn't. Yeah, nah, I wouldn't jump off the wharf now.
No.
The kids jump off this and swim.
Oh, yeah, but they won't attack you. They're like fish.
They're not like sharks.
No.
How deep is this?
I don't know how deep it is, Danny. Not deep.
Tui, it's not that deep. That is insane. Wow.
I've been coming down here all week and this is the first time they've been here.
Is it your? So you have been trying to feed them all week?
Yeah. Yeah, but it's a bit...
42, they go there.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, but this is good because you can stand right over top of it.
That's crazy. This is where Sweden and them jump off on, just over there. That's scary. These are massive. Just out at the wharf. Crazy. Palace Burgers is right there. And this guy is just feeding them. Shh.
Eh?
That's so crazy. You missed it.
Yes, I'll get it.
He got it. Oh, wait. That's insane. That's so cool. See you later. Wow. Going back home. Home time. Home time. Home time. She loves my toro. See, there's a level of toroness, and I'm the perfect toro.